All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to try to fix my mom's car. Now, she was driving and Bambi ran across the road. Bambi's mom was following Bambi and Bambi's mom hit the bumper. Don't worry, Bambi's mom is okay. For all you guys that only buy your meat at the grocery store. In this video, we're going to try to use a hair dryer, and I think I might even try to just use some hot water too. I've seen this all done with different things, so we're going to see how easily this goes. I think the hardest part's going to be getting in behind this bumper so I can push it out. And you're going to also maybe need a glove because it's going to get hot. And I have this infrared thermometer, so I'll know kind of approximately how hot I have this, so I don't get too hot and start melting the paint. With all the research I did, I should have this up to maybe around 180 degrees. Don't want to get too hot so you don't start messing your paint up more than maybe it's already messed up. Some of this has a couple little cracks in it that we may not be able to fix, but it should look better than being dented. All right, if any of you guys are working on a Nissan Rogue, this is a 2020. And we're going to take this front grille off. We got to take out some bolts, clips, and snaps. These clips, there's 4 clips. One here, one here, one here, one here. We're going to take them 4 out. And all you got to do is stick your little screwdriver in there and pull that up just a little bit, like that, till it's loose. Then it should pull out. You don't need to pull that all the way up. They come out pretty easy. I think they make a tool for this, but I think it's kind of dumb to buy a tool one. There's them 4. All right, now we also have a little piece down in here. I just have to turn a little bit. I'll show you here. And there's one here on this side. I already took that one out. But all you got to do, if you can see that, is turn that straight up and down with whatever pliers you got, like that. Anyway. And that pulls out like that. All right, I got my mom's grill off, and I'm going to explain some stuff that they don't tell you or on any of the other videos. Now these clips right here, there's one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So there's 6 of them. I did the right and left, and I had to reach in here and just squeeze that together just a little bit, this one a little bit, and I pulled out on it. And then I did this side and pulled out on it. So my boy held that out. My stepdad held this side out. Then I guess then I had to reach down in, but I had this grill on here like this. I wanted to stick my hand down in under like this and pull on it. Well, you can't do that because then you're going to pull right on this piece that is still attached. So don't do that, but you got to pull it out from this piece and this piece that clips right in there. And them 6 other pieces are clipped in these little holes that you gotta, so it's not real hard, but it's a lot easier if you know exactly what you're doing. So, all right, we got that off. All right, so far I'm trying to get in here so I can push on that, the big dent we got there. But I took this trim piece off. There was just 3 of these little screws that had like a Torx head on it. Where were they at? Well, I took one off there. I don't know if I had to take that one off, but I got 1, 2, 3. And then I was able to just stick my finger in behind there and pop that out. All right, now I got this all unhooked and we're trying to heat this up with a hair dryer. And once my water gets up to boiling, I'm going to dump the water over that. And I can reach my hand up in behind here and I'm going to push on that. This wasn't that hard. There were a couple of these little square clips. You got to be real careful prying them out. There's 2 of them. Once you take them screws out, there's 2 of these you got to get off. The hair dryer gets it close to 130, 140. I think that's why you see more people online with the hot water. I'm going to dump this down over, and then my stepdad can keep trying to keep that hot. Where's that thermometer thing, Mom?
Right here.
Oh, that runs right down over there. What's that say? Probably hot.
199.
Yep, okay, that's definitely hot. You definitely want to try to heat up the spots that's really creased harder. Okay. What do you think?
89, 189.
Now I'm going to stick my hand in here, put my glove on, and I'm going to push on that. Oh, look at that. That's better. Just trying to see if I can get that spot out. That might be about it. How's that look? Better?
Much better.
Like most people won't even know you probably did it.
No.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, that popped back. Yep, I figured that would too.
Ah. That deer really pissed me off.
All right, and then that piece just popped back in. Like I showed you, those little square clips right here, just be real careful when you go to try to pop these out. Because I kind of broke one. I have some glue on it. I'm hoping the glue is going to hold it back in place. But that ends up going in there like that and holding all, oops, that ends up going in there like that, holding all that together. There's just two of them. And then some screws, a screw here, a couple screws down underneath. And that's it. All right. So far, I think this is the biggest pain in the butt, these little clips here. Now, when you get that out, it automatically twists back the way it was when it was in there. So I already hooked the other side up. I think I found using these long needle nose to twist it, get it in there, and then I'll show you from there what I did. All right, let me twist this up, push it in there, and then go in here. Watch out, all right, see, I got it started in there. Then there's that little plastic piece there. If you look at the back side of this before you put it in, that piece has to be straight up and down. So then I found to take a screwdriver and slide it in here, and you push that to the to the left or the right, whichever way. I don't know if it's the same on both of them. But push that over. There, I got it. Ah, there we go. Got it.
Got it.
All right, I think if you made it this far and you pop that out and you were able to get this apart, I'm sure you're going to be able to figure out how to put it back together. So I hope this video helped you out. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And put a comment down there and tell my mom not to hit no more deer. God bless and have a great day.